Hello, welcome back to my channel. We got Anna Pekka. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you guys what I got at Daiso and MINISO. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Long time no see, friends. Let's go ahead and get started. While I was in Los Angeles, I got some stuff at MINISO and DAISO because we don't have a MINISO or DAISO where I'm from. So I went ahead and bought cheap, cute, kawaii things. I'm going to show you them. These Kuma dinosaur stickers. These are really cute. I really like the Kuma dinosaur series, especially Kuma. If you didn't know, Kuma is my favorite. And these are just really cute. So yeah, there's that. That's the new bear. He's pretty cute. Look at him eating a dinosaur. Leave the poor dino alone. Leave the poor dino alone. He's just trying to exist and you're eating his tail. The dinosaur series by Kuma is really cute. None of this is sponsored. Someday one of my videos is going to be sponsored. But right now, we chillin' with 1,260 cool kawaii people like you. So yeah, the next thing I got at Daiso were these little twin stars hair clips. I feel like this is going to be a trend to wear these out in public. Is that weird? Because Los Angeles usually gets all the trends first. One of the girls in Beverly Hills, she looked like she was wearing, not little twin stars, but pink hair clips that you'd move for your makeup back in public. And I thought that was pretty creative, so. And then the next thing I got at Daiso was this Hello Kitty brush cleaning thing. If you've watched any of my makeup brush cleaning videos, you know that I always rub it on the center of my hand, which is probably a bad idea because I couldn't afford that fancy brush cleaning mat that was trending a while ago. I forgot what it was called, but this one was $1.75 at Daiso and it's Hello Kitty themed. And honestly, that's probably better than the more expensive one because it's Hello Kitty. It's really cute. I got two more things from Daiso and then I'll show you the MINISO stuff. I got these. I freaked out when I saw these. These are little star capsules you would put like little beads in and charms. If you didn't know, I'm a bit of a resin artist and deco den artist, but I'm not quite sure what to put in these. If you have any suggestions, tell me in the comments below. I just like doing art and yeah, this room is so pretty now with this foggy lighting. The cutest acrylic keychain of Cinnamon. He's dancing. Yeah! And then I got a snack, and I got this snack at Daiso, and I thought I'd try it on camera for you guys. Influencer. Wait, that's not how they do it. They go. I don't have the nails. I have bear claws. You girlies who have acrylic nails, especially long ones, I'm impressed. Keep going. You got this. I can't do it. This is a chocolate and strawberry Caplico, I think it's called. Okay, so they come in a little plastic thing like this, and then there's little tiny strawberry imprints right here. This is quite... What are you? Oh, here's a little strawberry. I am particularly not a fan of the texture, but the taste tastes alright. So yeah. And yeah, that is everything I got at the Japanese dollar store. And then here are the things I got from MINISO, which is a little like more expensive, but still cheap kawaii goods. These mineral storage containers. I'm gonna put my makeup sponges in one of these, and I don't know what to do with the next one. Give me your suggestions in the comments. Look at the new Sanrio license sticker. Wow. That is, wow, it has all the characters. That is a good. It is green. It's got Kitty's face in it. That's cool. This was $5 at the MINISO. I got this compact mirror. Are you kidding me right now? Look at it. It's 3D. This is so kawaii. It's a little tiny compact mirror. It's super cute. It has cinnamon here on the front and I haven't opened it, but oh my gosh, it was $6 at MINISO. There's a MINISO coming to my area soon. I'm very excited for that. And he's such a baby. He's so cute. So yeah. That is everything in my MINISO and Daiso haul. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and check out all of my links below. My Instagram, eBay, my P.O. box is down below if you want to send the mail, and if you want eBay if you want to support me. And I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys. Go ahead and watch one of my other videos if you liked this one. And yeah, see you later.